You've been working in the technology sector for over 30 years now, and with technology constantly changing, what would you say is the most significant change you've seen in the industry, both from a learning perspective and a technology perspective?
Perhaps the biggest breakthrough came with the internet, quite clearly. Going from the period when we had very primitive networks with limitations. So one of the most liberating forces was the internet. And because that really helped people to connect with people to connect with content, people to connect with. So internet has perhaps been the most defining of the technologies which has made a difference. In the field of learning, we have seen a lot of pedagogy or the science of learning being supported by technology. So for example, when we want to do assessment, okay, assessment also needs very sophisticated models of evaluation. So I would call that science more than technology, but the ability to be able to do assessments whenever you want, on whatever subject you want. So a lot of software which constructs a valid question, for example, and then assesses the responses. So today we can only do multiple choice, but now we are beginning to get a method where you can answer in a paragraph, and there's software which can start deriving meaning from it. This is the big thing which will make a difference in how assessments are done, because today we just are limited to checkbox kind of things. And so this is an evolving field, and this is, I think, going to be important, because as a teacher, the most valuable thing you do is to give feedback to a student through a combination of factors, not just checkbox. So this part of giving good assessment and good feedback is another very promising technology. It's primitive, but that will make a big difference, and there's early work going on which is very promising, which I think all of us are waiting for.